I had just moved to Greece and I was in an apartment about 300 meters from the beach. Good morning everybody, or actually not good morning, it's already past 12. I've been up for about 4 hours, but I didn't start my recording today. I did laundry, but I have a problem. The laundry is stuck. I don't know why. And the water stopped working. I don't know if it was because of me, but it stopped coming after I was doing laundry here. There is electricity though. The electricity works. Look, the lights are on. By the way, if you are new to this channel, I just moved to Greece, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can follow the vlogs that are coming in the following weeks. I can't understand anything of the laundry machine. Let's go up to the roof and see if we can fix the water problem. Seems a bit strange. When I lived in Malta, it's also the very southern part of Europe. There was also always problems with the electricity and water. Yes.
Wow, look at this. Where am I? Here we have the water tanks.
Hello, 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 hello. Should I press something maybe? There's a bunch of solar panels here. Look, there's a toilet here on top of the building. Toilet for everybody.
Wow.
Oh, I got electrocuted again. What should I do? What should I do? Alright, let's see if the water has been fixed. Oh, look! It's working! Oh, it's gonna explode, it's gonna explode! Oh, is it gonna explode? Once I get to my new place, I'm gonna make music. If you are bored or if you don't have anything to do, all you have to do is listen to Dr. Bombay. And my favorite song, Dr. Bombay, Dr. Bombay. Oh, the washing machine is about to explode again. Oh. Oh. Oh, second time I pass out from the washing machine. Oh, now he's getting quiet. Now back to Dr. Bombay. This is the Havari of Dr. Bombay. Many people in my family, Dr. Bombay are married and gone. What the tatulattule? You got to see the doctor tonight. No, I don't know. Tell me that I really know for sure that I am crazy. Yes, I am a doctor. Okay, it's 1:40 in the afternoon. I've been editing videos all day because I need 100,000 subscribers now. Now! I have 453 subscribers as of today. It's a long shot, but it's gonna happen. I believe in it, I believe in it, I believe in it. If we don't believe in our dreams, then nobody is gonna believe in our dreams. Nobody. 100,000. Subscribe now. Oh, I destroyed the coffee maker. It's no longer working because I forgot to put this thing on. This thing. And so the water just evaporated somehow. I only have a few more days in here, but I will buy a new coffee maker. Oh, 3 weeks ago I tried to go to the United States, but I was not let in there. Trouble has followed me. Trouble is my follower. On social media, 100,000 followers for Trouble. I could never focus on anything except for making videos. That's pretty fun. But otherwise, I just think about everything, I forget things, and I mess things up. It's what you say about you that matters. Yeah. Watching some motivational videos. It's time to get out of this shit. It's time to get out of that stupid negative thoughts you have in our heads that tell us that we cannot do something. It's time to believe. It's time to believe that we can do anything we want. It's time to say no to the voices that come up in our head that say, no, you can't do it. You're not good enough. It's possible. It's possible. Possible. We always come up with excuses why we can't do things. Now it's time to say fuck the excuses and do it. In a few days I'll be moving about 100 meters from the beach, and that's gonna be much, much nicer. I really have to do something now, so I think I'm gonna go running. It's Friday night, but every day is the same for me because I'm not working. I don't have a regular job. Perfect. For the next 3 months, I'm just gonna hang out here in Greece. Laundry. I did laundry earlier today, and I think the laundry is dry. Look.
Put it out here on the other balcony on this side, all the laundry.
I'm gonna just have fun for 3 months. I'm gonna go to the gym, I'm gonna go running, I'm gonna record videos, and I'm gonna have a good time. Time to go for a run. Time to go for a run. Now. Now. Now.
I'm going for a 30-minute run. Oh, hello. I've been running for 6 minutes. Temperature is perfect, about 25 Celsius. Been running for about 9 minutes, and this is where I'm gonna live soon. Right next to this beach up there. I'm looking forward to moving in here actually. It's gonna be a great time. I'm gonna go check out these trails here. There are a bunch of trails up. Maybe it's possible to do some cliff jumping here. Probably so. I'm inside the woods. Well, I've been running for 23 minutes. Let's take a break. Oh, I'm on my way back. It was a nice run in the woods, but time to head home. Just did a couple of sprints. I think to get good results from running you have to do sprints. If you want your muscles to get a workout too, if you just run slow then you only get cardio, but from doing sprints you also get a muscular workout. I've been doing some 30-second sprints pretty fast, and then about a minute rest, and then again. 2 hours later. Good evening, it's Friday evening, and it's 8:40. This guy is here, he's back.
Let's to buy something here.
Oh, he's buying beer again. Now he's gonna get into trouble. But for me, no drinking today. No drinking for me. I went running earlier today, and now I'm finally buying, what do you call these? I need to shave. I didn't shave, but now it's time to shave. It's time to shave. I got some chips and some batteries for my light. Strobe light. I got a perfect light. It's a little bit too strong. Hello, I'm here in the park. Or actually there's some sort of church here on top of a mountain. I just bought my light, and the picture is a lot better now because I have a new light. What is this? Now let's look at the view over here. We are on top of a mountain, and it's Friday night. I just had some chips. I was eating some chips, and also now I can also shave. Hello, I just shaved and my friend left, but now I'm walking here downtown the city. There are a lot of people here. Look. I went home, and that was the end of my Friday night. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please click the subscribe button. And don't forget to also click the bell to get notified every time I upload something.